triple works like this. Left, right, left, front, back, up, step, slide, lift, 1, 2. That's triple.
Nice.
This is the original version of triple. So let's walk through it so you understand how it works. It's left, right, left, left, right, left. So here's what I do a lot. When I'm pointing, that means we're getting ready to go that way after that move. So left, right, left, cross front, back, right is up. Now here's where it changes. So I'm gonna say up, step, slide, lift, 1, 2. Okay, that's triple. Now the way triple works is, there's a little formula to triple. We actually do triple on the right side twice and once on the left. This is how it works. So if we walk through it, it looks like this. Triple, left, right, left, front, back, up, step, slide, 1, 2. Back to regular. Cross front, back, 1, 2, right up. It's triple this time. Left, right, left, cross front, back is up, step, slide, up, 1, 2, left up. It's triple. This time it's right, left, right, front, back, up, step, slide, up, 1, 2. Okay? So that's triple on the right, triple on the left. Okay? In this dance, a lot of the moves that we make, that one's one of the fun ones, just because of that slide, okay? Got to get that, and I can hear that when you come off of that, ta, ta, I can hear that, okay? So when I'm saying it, I'm singing it like that song. I hear the beat, and I'm right on it, so I'm just singing the steps to that beat. 5, 6, regular to the right, cross front, back, 1, 2, left up, front, back, 1, 2. It's triple this time. Left, right, left, front, back, up, step, slide, up, back to regular, front, back, 1, 2, right up. It's triple this time. Left, right, left, front, back, up, step, slide, up, 1, 2, left up, triple this time. Right, left, right, front, back, up, step, slide, up, 1, 2. That's triple, okay?